Jai Hind everyone. I am Shraddha Srivastava. I am working as an assistant professor in Information and Technology Department in AKGC. So today we are going to discuss about introduction about Java. So we will have a series of Java, OOPS with Java, where we will learn about the concept of the OOPS, and we will do Java. As we all know that Java is a object-oriented programming. So initially we will see how we install the Java, where we can do the Java programming, what are the features of the OOPS, and how we are going to implement these features in Java. We will study further, and we also implement all those aspects that are the that features the object-oriented program. So first we should know what is a Java. Java is an object-oriented program. So what do you mean? Object-oriented program means we do all the things in the form of class and object. So we should know what is a class and object. So what is the class? Class is a blueprint of an object. Class is a collection of a similar type of a object, and an object is a real material, real matter, anything that is a real in this world, any matter that exists in this world, that is considered as a object. So we can encapsulate similar data type in a simple class, that is called class. That's why in technically we can say class is a blueprint of a similar type of object, and object is a instance of this class. So there are various features of this object oriented programming that gradually we will learn and we will implement. So first we should know how we will start the Java programming, and what are the ID where we are what are the different ID where we are going to implement the program. So as you can see, so first we have to install the Java. So before starting the Java, we should know that in our system, because in some configuration there are Java pre-installed. So we should know that in our system Java is installed or not. So for that we will write cmd, and in command prompt we will write Java C. So you can see some code are executed and I have got the new prompt. So it means Java is already installed in my system. But if Java is not installed in my system, then you will find some message that it is this command or this word is not found. It is external or internal command that is not found in the system. That means you have not installed the Java software. So first you have to install the Java, where you can we all know how to install. We can go on the Google and we can search download Java, and in oracle.com we can download the Java as per our configuration, as per our operating system. So where we are what are the ID of the Java where we can where we can run the program. So I am using the Java Eclipse. Okay, you can use VS Code, you can use Java Eclipse, and you can use command prompt also. So it's depends on you where you feel comfortable to do Java programming. There are various ID where you can write a code and implement the Java program. So I am using this Eclipse ID for the Java programming. Okay, so this when we have installed this Eclipse Java, so what we have to do, we have to create a class. So first what we need to do, file and new, and then we have to, this is the Java project, Okay, we have to you have to create the Java project. So suppose I am creating my second project. Okay, so you can see I am writing name in the camel case. So we should prefer the camel case when we are creating any name for the project. So here I am doing next, and you can see this ID automatically created this folder structure, and one folder has been created, that is SRC. This is a source SRC folder where all the source programs that we will create, that would be stored in this SRC. This is SRC folder, and now I am going to do finish. So you can see I have created another project that is named with my second project, and this is the SRC folder. Now I have to create the class. So what I have to do, right click and then new, and you can see here this is the class. So I can create the class. Okay, so you can see packages. If I am not creating any package, we will further know how we can create the package. But here, if I am not creating any package, so by default the project name that will be considered as a package name. So suppose I am class, my project class, my project class, and public static void main. What is this? We will learn further. So my class has been created in this IDE, where the package is the same as my folder name, my second project. So I have not created any package, so by default the package name is the same as it is the project name. But if if I have created any package, so obviously the package the name of the package would be that particular that I have named. So this is the public class, my project class. So you can see I have created the class name with my project class, and the file is also created my project class .java. That means the file name should be the same as the class name. It should not be different. If my class name is class 1, the file name should be class1.java. If my class is the class 2, then my file name should be class2.java. That means class name and the file name should be the same. So this is the mandatory thing, package. And the second line is public class. So public is, it is the access specifier. Access specifier means how you can access that particular class. So I have initially it has been created public. Public means anyone can access this class, and this class is the keyword. Okay, and this is the class name, my project class. This is a user defined function. You can name it anything, my project class, my project 1 class, as per your program. Okay, it should be your choice कि what program you are going to make, and this name should be relevant. And now within this class, one function, it is called public static void main. So this is the function. Without this function our class is not going to run. So this is the mandatory thing. This is the main function where our program will be executed. So public, again it is a public. Static means we don't have to in static means for this we don't have any object right now, and void, we know we are not returning anything, and main is the main keyword, main function, where we are going to start the flow of the program. And what is the string args? This is the command prompt argument, where string is it is the array of string type, and the value that is going to store in this, that is the args. So that the name of that values is args, and that are going to store in this string array. Okay, so we can I have already created one program. You can see this is my class. Okay, so we will learn more about the Java. Here I have created the simple class. Okay, I have not created any data type. We will learn further what is the data type, how to create data type, how to create function. Here this is the blueprint of the class, and where I have writing something and make you understand, and further and slowly we will learn more about it. Okay, so I have created class named with my class, and the access is the public, and the package is my pro. Till now I have not created any package, so by default you can see it is taking the folder name as a package. So again, this is the public static void main is the function, and this is the string and arg. So today I am going to understand you what is the command line argument. Okay, I am making you understand what is this string args. So okay, so system again the next line is system.out.println. What is this? So system.out.println, what it does, it print the anything that we write from the input devices, and it print on the output device. Like in Python, as we used to use print, and in C we use printf. In the same way, in Java we use this system.out to print println to print anything on the output device. So what is the system? It is the class dot out. What is the out? It is the output stream, and println it will print the it is the function that print whatever we are writing here, it will be printed on the output device with the new line. So here I have written two lines, system.out.println. We all are intelligent and nice. And in the second line, system.out to println, number of arguments, args.length. Okay, so what is this args.length? So I have created one for loop. Okay, for loop is nothing. For loop, when we want, this is the loop named with for. Okay, so for loop, any loop, why we are going to use loop? To do multiple, to do repetitive work, we use loop. So here a for loop, there are three statements. Integer I, it is the variable, I is the variable, I am initializing with 0. I is less than args.length, means what is the args.length? What the number of commands that I am writing on the command prompt. So it will args.length, the length of that commands will go in this args.length, and now we are going to print all the statement that we have written on the command prompt. So we can see, so how we are going to print system.out.println args. This is printed like this, and plus args I. I means when it will I 0, that means the first word will be displayed, then 1, second, and then 2, and then 3. So now we are going to see how it will be. So I am going to do right click and then run as run configuration, and then class is my class, and then argument. So here I have written we are a student of CSIT. This is the argument that have been written on the command prompt. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The length of these commands are 5, and the position of the word in 0 index is V, and then 1, and then 2, and then 3, and the 4. So that's why in the for loop we have started from the I0, and it will go on with the less than length. What is the length? Length is the 5. So if I run this program, so we can see this. So the first statement, we all are intelligent and nice, it is printed, and in the second statement we have printed all the words that are written on the command prompt. Okay, so this is the I have explained you everything, that is the basic thing of any program. What is how we have installed the Java, and how we have created the simple class, and about the main functions. Okay, so how we create the object. I have a one okay, so we can see this is another example, but don't worry, I am going to make you. So don't concentrate on all these things, we will learn further. So what we have to see, if we have to create the Java, means when we are creating any class, so it is a mandatory to create a object for that class to initialize the variable and the function of that particular class. So what is this is the class. Within the class we have this is the main function, and within the main function we have to create the object. Okay, so what is the object? Object is the instance of the class, and here I have created the one object of the class main. So you can see main, the class name, and then object name, then is equal to new is the again keyword, and main is the again class name. So this is the way how we can create the object. So this is the object I have created of the class main, and what is the object name? That is the my obj. So thank you for your patience. So today we have learned about the introduction, what is the class and what is the object, and further we are going to learn about the different types of features of the Java program. Thank you.